Handy Hudsonite here. If you have an AirPod that's become disconnected with the other one, or if you've ordered a replacement for Apple because your AirPod was lost or broken or whatever, and you're trying to get this new replacement connected to the other AirPod, I'm going to show you a simple, easy, and quick way of doing that right after this. In order to get this AirPod reconnected to the other one, we're going to do a simple reset of the AirPod case. On the back, there is a button that I'll show you here in a minute in order to reset the AirPods. But for us to be able to fully reset these AirPods, we have to open the top of the case, put both AirPods in. Both AirPods have to be in the case in order for us to reset it. And then we're going to locate the reset button on the back of the case here on the AirPod case. That button right there is going to be, we're going to be pushing it and holding it for 15 seconds. And in order to know that we're pushing it long enough, what we want to do is pay attention to this LED light on the top. So when I push the button and hold it, you will see this LED light. It will be white. And then once the AirPods are reset, the light will flash orange for a little bit and then go back to white. And then we'll know that they're reset. We can repair them with our phone and have both AirPods back to a working order again. So let's start the process. So I'm going to press in this button here on the back, holding it in. You see the light on the top, the LED light here that is white now. It's going to turn orange here in just a couple of seconds, and then we'll know there it is. It's flashing orange, which means that it's reset. If you want to be completely sure, we can continue to hold it for a few more seconds until it flashes again. Even though it was reset already, this will just ensure you, there you go, flashed again. So we'll let go of the button. You can now see my iPhone screen. You see AirPods there. These are fully reset because they don't even have my name on them anymore. So what I want to do is just tap connect. They're connecting to my AirPods. Okay, now your phone's going to remember the name of your AirPods, but now they're fully reconnected, and we can go in and confirm this in our Bluetooth settings. Come down here, you see Matt's AirPods are indeed connected. Both of my AirPods are connected and working. As you can see here, my two AirPods, one's at 99%, one's at 100%, and they are both connected to each other, to my phone, and working. That's how you get the second AirPod reconnected to the first one, whether it's through a faulty, something faulty that happens to that AirPod, or you're getting a replacement. Very quick and easy to do. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's having trouble with pairing their AirPods or connecting the AirPods together. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done like this one. And I will see you in the next video.